Hooray guys, so I thought that I had finally fixed my plumbing last night, and it was fixed for the most part because water was going down the drain no problem. I had unclogged my drain. Even though I am not a smell good plumber or roto-rooter, I had it all fixed up. But then I came down this morning, and as you can see here, I'm drying up all the water that leaked. Now, the left side of the sink is fine, it does not leak, but the right side, the one that has this bit here, does, and that's because this part here does not fully seal very well, and as you can see here, this kind of bends downward a little bit, which means that when I placed it in there, I did not place it correctly, and so I've got to redo this part here and possibly put some of this good stuff here, which is a sealant, on there to try to fix that. So yeah, good times, good times. So let's see if we can get that done this morning somehow. Let's see if I can demonstrate how bad it is. Let's see, what can I use? We'll just dump some water on this side of the sink. And you can see it bubbling a little bit here. But you can see that it's not perfectly sealed here, like that. So it's not actually leaking right now, but when you run the garbage disposal, this thing starts shaking around, so if a lot of the water is being pumped through this thing here, it will start just leaking everywhere. Alright, so in the next video, since this video got pretty long already, I'll show you how to take this whole thing apart and how to hopefully seal that bit up so that doesn't happen again. I don't know. Let's see if we can get lucky.